Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1974. This is a Pontiac Formula 455 car. That is correct engine package for this car. Florida car, been in Florida its whole life. This is an older restoration, guys. You can nitpick this thing. The paint on the car, he said, is over 25 years old. They did just go through the engine, bump the cam up. He said he put a little gear in the back. But, you know, basically, if you're looking for a fun driver, I think you'll have a blast with this car. Finished in Buccaneer red. I think it was originally a bronze car. And then it's got the black vinyl interior. You can see it's got the Rally 2 wheels. Car's got a good look. Don't think that the paint is horrible. It's got plenty of shine, but yes, there's some marks in the paint, and I'll try to point out what I've seen in it. Ram air hood, factory air car. Again, as you look, you can kind of nitpick some little things in the paint. I will tell you one thing, the car really hits the road good. I love the ram air, I thought that was cool. Of course, I love the 455 in it. It's not the matching numbers engine, but it is an era correct 455 engine. The YY code. It's got a dash cover on it. There is a crack in the dash. Tinted glass. We do have the PHS docs for it. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. Car sits good. Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Again, Rally 2 wheels. Power front disc brakes, dual sport mirrors. Again, it is a YY code, which is what the car would have came with, but it's not the matching numbers engine. 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes. Does have factory air. He said the air's not working. I will have my guys take a peek at it. Compressor and everything's free. So 400 turbohydramatic trans. Of course, it's got the ram air hood, ram air cleaner, chrome valve covers, HEI distributor. You see the paint's got plenty of shine. It's pretty. This is a remote mirror. Some door stickers in there. It's got the black interior. Bucket seat, center console. Factory wheels. It's got the factory dash. Again, showing 3932. We're gonna have to check on the tack. I don't think the tack's working. And then they put the gauges up here are working, but he put an extra set of gauges in when they did the motor. Aftermarket sound system with aftermarket speakers. Blower motor works. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a 10-bolt rear axle. He did up the gear. I think he said it's got 355 in it now. Again, here's the PHS docs for the car. Yeah, car's out of Florida. I think spent its whole life in Florida. Just a Pontiac brochure for the car. Fun car, good looking car. I love the Ram Air hood. Oops, sorry. Bone stock underneath. It's, like I say, if you're looking for something to drive, I think you'll have a blast with the car. Back seats look good. Couple little blemishes in your seats. Again, owner's manual is in the glove box. Again, fire's right up. I mean, it hits the road really good. Aftermarket distributor in there too. Love that Ram Air hood. Yeah, the tach's not working in there. Like I say, your oil pressure gauge and everything there is working. And then he's got gauges down there. The car's holding good oil pressure. Like I say, really hit the road good. Good sound, Flowmaster dual exhaust. Backup lights work. Choke works. Radio works. Blower motor works. I didn't check the wipers. Wipers work. Make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Hear that little cam working?